Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong love life for March 2026. General reading, pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you to offer services. Mag-ingat sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Do not message me for private readings. Just go to my website, mrqueenph.com. Andun na lahat ng information at pwede rin kayong mag-book from there o kaya mag-book na kayo directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or sa comment section. Ayan. And i-check nyo rin kung saan nyo ito napapanood kasi may mga nagnanakaw ng videos ko. Make sure that you are transacting or watching the video from the creator, no? Yung ako talaga yung nag-create ng video na to dahil may mga sa 69,000 to 70,000 followers, especially sa TikTok, okay? Sa TikTok kasi sa YouTube tsaka sa sa Facebook around 200k na yan. So almost 200k. Ayan, so ingat kayo doon ha, mga scammers yan. So, Capricorn na mga singles. Ano yung energies ng mga Capricorn singles? Gusto niyo na pa ba ng relationship? Okay. So, you have the King of Cups, the Six of Cups. May naglilinger pa na energy ng past for some of you Capricorn. Oo, meron ditong, alam mo yung tipong single ka pero pwedeng nakakausap mo pa yung person from your past. Maaring may feelings pa sa'yo or ikaw may feelings ka pa sa kanya. But, I don't know kung ito ay eventually magkakaroon ng ng progress. Oo. But if you are single tapos may nakikipag-communicate na person from the past, medyo mag-ingat ka kasi ngayon naka-retrograde si Mercury. So, usually, pag mga ganyan, energies from the past bumabalik. Okay? But, if you're not yet ready, mas maganda na focus ka na lang sa sarili mo. Oo. But I think, pwedeng may pag-uusap, may mga isi-settle na issues. So, we will see. Tingnan mo kung anong mangyayari. Kung magpo-progress yan, magkakabalikan ba kayo ngayong March? So, let's see naman para sa mga in a relationship na Capricorn ngayong March 2026. In a relationship na Capricorn. What's the energy ngayong March? Maraming travel opportunities para sa inyo. There's also healing here, no? Pwedeng kung kayo ay nagkaroon ng pag-aaway or issues in the past, maayos nyo na. Meron din ditong uuwi from abroad. So, pwedeng yung person mo nasa abroad or ikaw nasa abroad, uuwi ka na sa hometown mo or home country mo. So, I think you will spend more time together with your person. This is about traveling, vacation, quality time. Quality time together talaga ang napaka-importante sa inyo. Yan kung may family kayo, you will spend time with your family. Some of you, merong new member ng family. May buntis, may nanganak. Some of you naman, if you are, kung nandun kayo sa phase ng relationship nyo na, you are planning to get married. So, ayun, pwedeng kayo ay ikakasal. You have the Tower. What is this? Bakit may pa-tower dito? Okay. Pwedeng may issue pagdating sa pera, no? Pwedeng meron lang kayong pag-awayan or unexpected na issue pagdating sa trabaho or sa pera. Oo. But eventually, no, you will be able to fix that. Kailangan nyo lang talaga ng open communication with your person. Let's see what else. Yung iba rito sa inyo, kung meron kayong person na nasa abroad, parang may surprise, no? Surprise na uuwi na pala siya. O kaya ikaw yon, uuwi ka na pala, iso-surprise mo yung person mo. Yeah, merong appreciation dito. Like you want to appreciate yung effort ng person mo. You want to make things work para sa relationship na to. Meron ding energy rito. I think itong unexpected na to, pwedeng merong manggulo from the past. Oo, or parang issue from the past na mababalik. Oo. Na magre-resurface. So, pwedeng yun yung isa sa challenge ng relationship na to. Practice compassion, see things from a fresh perspective. So, I think it's more on understanding the situation kasi pwedeng iba sa inyo Capricorn. Kung meron mang energy from the past, medyo complicated siya, pero ito kasi yung tipong hindi mo siya mapupush away. For example, you are dealing with someone na meron ng anak sa iba na una, or may nagka-family na before. So, syempre, sa Capricorn, andun yung responsibility, 'di ba? So, pwedeng magkakaroon pa rin ng communication sa past. So, pwedeng yun yung maging issue, no? Ngayong March, for some of you na nasa complicated relationship or situation. Okay, so that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.